Alright, so hi, welcome to my video. My name is Lexi Weaver, and this is for my Astronomy 100 class. So today I'm going to be doing an app review of this app called Star Roam. As you can see, it has really cool graphics. The art is, in my opinion, really beautiful of the constellations, and I think the tilt and the accuracy of the constellations help give the user a little bit more sense of direction and what they're actually viewing and how it looks in the night sky. So you can actually adjust this because the app, when you open it, automatically fast forwards to nighttime, but you can adjust this by clicking on the lower corner, and you can actually set the time. If you don't want to set the time to a specific time, you can actually rotate it and use you can move forward in time. So as you can see, you're doing that. You can also see longitude and latitude lines when you're turning, and the degrees that you're at. So I thought that was pretty cool. I'm just gonna exit and re-enter to reset the lines and the timing. Benefit of this app is it does not take too long to open up again, so that's a perk. All right. So by tapping on a star or a planet, we're going to tap on Saturn today. You can, a little icon shows up, and you can actually tap on that, and it gives you all the details, the distance, the size, among other things. And it gives you a lot of really cool numbers that you can put into Google to use, and do a little bit more research, a little bit more in-depth on that star or planet. So I thought that was really cool. So you can adjust the sky with your fingers like so, or you can actually tilt by pressing on this little button. You can use your phone to tilt and look around the sky, which is also really cool because it uses your GPS in order to find your exact location. You can always turn this off though, so it's not going to be consistently on. Alright, so if you are looking for something specific and you're not just kind of like tapping around, or you're not sure where it would be, you can actually go down here to this 4 little boxes and you can search for a certain constellation, a planet. So let's look for Jupiter. I'm going to go ahead and search, and it's actually going to bring me all the way over here to that planet. This part is really cool because you actually get a graphic, and it's not just like a circle or a light in the sky. They actually put the effort in putting detail and color into their illustrations, which I think is really awesome. So you can actually, there's a bunch of different ways that you can access things. You can look for constellations, grids, atmosphere, all these different things. There are also aspects of this app that are considered premium, which I think is cool because if you want to invest in that app, if you want more, you totally can, but you still get a lot for a very, very low price and or free. All right, so exiting out of that, we're going to move on to another really cool part of this app that I think is the fact that it has news and events. So this updates automatically every time you open the app. It is most up to date, and they actually have a bunch of different news or articles that you can access that have to do with astronomy, among other things. You also can see events that are going to go on, and this is actually a perfect example of this ad right here. The ads in this app are very, very subtle. They're not overwhelming. They're not intrusive, which I think is really cool for an app that's free. So you can see that, like, for example, a meteor shower is going to happen in 2020, and it tells you the date, and you can get details on it. I think this is really awesome because this just helps you be more conscious about what's going on in the night sky, all in one place. All right, so moving on from that, you can actually, let's go to settings. So you can get the pro version, like I said like earlier, that there's a premium, or you can get plus. but you can actually go into your settings and you can adjust what you see. So for example, let's go to background. I have it so I can see all planet markers, the ecliptic line, meridian line, etc., etc. This just helps me navigate my way around the sky better and get more used to the positions of the stars and all that good stuff. You're also able to adjust the light pollution, which I thought was really cool. A little feature. But yeah, star culture, all these different stuff. You can actually see what different cultures around the world translate and how they see the sky basically and how they identify it, which I thought was an awesome addition to this app. But yeah, so overall I would give out of 5 being like the best, I would give this app a solid 4. The reason why I want to give it the full 5 is just because it kind of sucks that you're somewhat limited compared to the pro and plus versions, but I think it's still really cool how much you really do get to use and be exposed to with this app. So I think that's really awesome. So yeah, that's going to be it for me today. Thank you so much.